Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Raf. So just wanted to do a quick update video. I've had a few customers ask and I thought we'll do a video. We've actually had to jump off the van for a while, the conversion, because we've been really busy with customer vehicles. So this van has taken a back seat last couple of months. We've only touched it here and there. So I thought I'd do a quick video just to show you where we are at the moment. So obviously in the last video you probably saw, I'm not sure how this is going to go up on YouTube, but the van was originally a white van. So the van has now been fully painted. We've used Raptor paint, which is a bed liner, to paint the whole van. So I've gone for grey on the main van's body, and we've gone for black Raptor on all the plastic. So the grille, the bumpers, all the side trims and everything. Did it all in-house. It was very easy to do. Watched a couple of YouTube videos, spoke to a few friends and went for it, and it came out really nice. Obviously we did have the benefit of working in a workshop, and there was not much overspray, so it was really good. I'll quickly bring you closer and show you what it actually looks like. So as you can see, the paint's got a bit of a rough texture to it, and I really like that. It adds to the rugged outdoor look, and obviously the black is exactly the same. I love the finish. I think it's come out fantastic. Very happy with it. It was very easy to apply. Apparently it's very durable, lasts very long, and it looks really nice. So once the wheels are all painted and off-road tires, I think it'll really look smart. What we'll do now is I'll go around and show you quickly what else we've done to the van. So on the outside of the van, the roof is completely done. What I wanted to do was I wanted to get all the work done on the roof. So any wiring from solar panels, Wi-Fi, etc. could come into the van, and then we could build the van and have all the cables running exactly where we wanted. I've applied a curved spotlight to the front of the van, so this should be quite good in your dark places, and plus I think it looks really cool as well. The roof rack's all been built. We've done this using Unistrut. Very easy to use, very affordable, and comes out really nice. I'll show you the roof when we go inside the van. I'll climb up through the window and show you, but we've basically got on the roof a Max Air fan right at the front here. Sorry, lost focus. We've got a Max View Gazelle aerial for the TV behind it. Next to that, on the other side, is a Wi-Fi aerial, Avtex's Wi-Fi system. And I've got two 250 watt solar panels just behind that. That's 500 watt solar coming in. And right at the back, I've got a big Max Air Skylight Max, I think it's called. It's the biggest window that they make. And then just to the other side of it here, I've got a bit of space. And the idea at the moment is I want to put some decking up there when we're done. Outside, we've applied windows to both passenger side and driver's side. Passenger window is opening, driver's side is non-opening. We've then decided to put other windows in just behind in the middle panel. Because once we went inside, I was thinking, and I'm going to be having a sofa in here, and I thought a window there would be quite cool, you know, just to look outside, plus a bit of ventilation. And it also ties in with the window on the other side where the kitchen will go. Because obviously when you're cooking or you've got the kettle boiling, allows all the nasty smells and steam to all escape. Obviously we've got the rear pods. These are great pods. These allow me to have a bed going across the van. These were absolutely brilliant. I'll link the company in the description. A to B conversions, Tony, he was absolutely brilliant, really helpful. And even these pods, now that they've been painted, I think they look fantastic. So yeah, outside that's it. The idea when it's done is to put off-road tires on. Should look pretty cool. So let's go inside and have a look. Right. So inside, what we've done, as you can see, all the insulation is pretty much complete. So we've used all Dodo Liner. I'll link in the description exactly what we've used. So if anybody wants to know, it'll help you out. There's obviously all sound deadening on the floor. This is just the original floor for the van, which has gone back in temporarily just so we can walk on it. This has to come out. We need to insulate the floor. We haven't done that yet. So all the wall insulation, the roof insulation and everything is done inside. This is what the pods look like from the inside. Pretty cool. The ceiling, the first fix on the ceiling is up. So all the wiring is in. First fix electrics are all in. So you can obviously see wiring hanging out where all the lights are going to go. The ceiling has been built using 6mm ply. This is up, this has been painted, and what we're going to do is we're going to clad this at the end, so it should look really cool when it's all done. Here in the ceiling we have the Max Air fan. This actually can pull air into the van or suck it out, so these are really good. I've got a little window up in the ceiling here. This window will actually tie in with where the bathroom's going, which is across there. So that's a little opening window. Another window at the back there, which is slide opening. That's where my kitchen's going to be going. Allow all smells, etc. to escape. And coming into the van, I really wanted a big window at the back. So the bed's going to be going across the back of this van. And I really wanted a big window above the bed just so you can look out. And I'm hoping it'll allow us to just climb out onto the roof into the little deck area I'm going to be building up there. So I'll go up and show you what it looks like on top of the roof. Right, so here we are on the roof of the van. So the roof rack's been built using Unistrut. I'm on the wide angle lens, so if it looks a bit stretched, sorry about that. So Unistrut to build the roof rack. This was very affordable, very reasonable. We've got two 250 watt solar panels here on the roof, giving us 500 watt solar. In front of that, on the left here, that is the Gazelle Pro Max View aerial for TV. Next to that, in the middle of the van, over here is the Avtex Wi-Fi aerial. That's obviously the skylight that I showed you from the inside, above the bathroom. Max air fan right at the front. So I still have got a little bit of space there if I want to fit anything to the roof, but I can't think of anything else. And then just down here, I've got a bit of space for a little deck area. Hopefully I'll be able to do that once it's all done. So yeah, all in all, well impressed with how the van's come out. Looking really good. It's taken a bit longer than what we wanted, but the honest answer is it's because we're just so busy in the workshop. Right guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. We'll try our best to upload more videos, but the honest truth is we've just been really busy. Got a lot of videos in the background ready to be edited, but it's just finding the time. We will try and catch up. We've got the NEC Camping and Motorhome show next week. So after I should have some time on my hands, edit some of the videos, get them out. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, like this video. If you want to see more of this van going forward, there is quite a few more videos in the series which are going to come. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching, guys.